Hello everyone, I'm Amit Lakshmi from STMB Vaishnav College. Here you will discover my policy management application and I named as Policy Hub, where I will attach a video to advertise my Policy Hub. If I click the About button, it redirects to the new page, and here I attach some content and carousel which showcase some of the app features, and hit the back button and move on to the feature button. And in this section to explore some of the features available in this app. And if you are the new user, you need to create an account in Policy Hub and go back to the home page. And finally, if you are already have an account, click the sign in button. Now I am entered the username and invalid password. It shows the invalid username or password error message, and now I am entered the correct password and hit the login button. It successfully logged into the main page, and in the left side corner I attached a logo. Behind that I attached menu button. It will display all the available buttons, and in the right side corner I attach carousel to display advertisement. And now I click the menu button, it will display all the available buttons. In the create new customer button, now I enter the customer details. Now hit the add customer button. Customer added successfully, and now I am click the clear button, and I did not mention the name and enter all details. Now I'm hit the add customer button, and it shows failed to add the customer. Next, search for customer. In this field I enter the correct ID and fetch my customer. It returns the details of ID too, and now I am enter the invalid ID that does not exist in my table and hit the fetch customer button. It shows customer ID with the specified ID does not found, and move on, view all customer. In this first I give the table name as customer and hit the get all customers. It return the customer table all values. This one I recently attached, and now clear, and now I'm enter the table name as custom and get all customers. Table custom not found, and modify customer information. In this I will update the customer details, and now I enter the customer ID to and name as now hit the update customer button, and customer updated successfully. If I am not specify the customer ID and hit the update button, and it shows enter a valid ID and email. Next, enter new policy. In this, I'm attached the policy type as health insurance, and policy date, and I will attach the customer ID too, and now hit the add policy button, and policy added successfully to the second customer ID. Now I did not specify the policy type and hit the add policy button. It shows the error message as enter a policy type. Now move on to the retrieve policy information, and in this I will enter the policy ID as 1 and hit the fetch button. It returns the policy ID 1 details. Now clear, and now I'm enter the invalid ID that does not exist in my table, and hit the fetch policy button. Now it shows the error message as policy not found, and fetch all policy list. In this, hit the fetch policies button. It returns all the policy table values. This one I recently ID 12. This is I recently added, and move on. Edit policy details. Now edit the policy ID 12 as travel insurance, and hit the about update button, and it shows the success message as policy updated successfully. If I did not enter the policy ID or policy type and hit the update policy button, and it shows the failure message as failed to update the policy. And last one, filter customer by ID range. In this, if I enter the customer ID as 2 and hit the get customer button, it returns all the customer values above the ID 2. Here you can see name with city, now I'm clear, and now I'm enter the invalid policy ID that does not exist in my table, and hit the get customer button, and it shows the error message as no customer found with ID greater than 99. And now clear the container, click the clear button, and to clear hit the menu button to hide all the buttons, and now finally sign out the page, click the sign out button. That's it. Thank you.